was like, I'm the star of Transformers. Huge summer blockbuster, remember? I ain't gonna do no guest spot on According to Jim.
Alright, so I got a phone call at 4 p.m. and we got a shack, a 12 by 60, that's got to go into a residential in Calgary. City life, always my favorite. So here we are, we've hopped in the pilot car, we're going to go take a boo because we want to make sure that we're going to be able to get her in there. So here we are, we're going to drive to Calgary at 5 p.m. now. It's 5. And we're going to check it out, make sure we can squeeze her in there, and get the job done.
Whoa! Mamma mia!
I got lost. All the roads are under construction here. This is Highway 8, southwest Calgary, and it leads up to Highway 22. They got it all dug up. I got a little confused. I was in the wrong lane, so I had to pull over and check out the maps to make sure I know where I'm going, because I'm not the city guy. So we had some interest here. We got a traffic light that's temporary, so it's hanging down on a cord and it sags down pretty low, and then the road kind of comes up. I just got to stop and measure it just to make sure, because it was a little bit of a concern. But it's like 6 o'clock right now and I'm not in the mood to get ran over by some city folks, so we'll come back to this a little bit later after we check out the site. So we're at site here. It's not looking very good. It's kind of a small little crescent. There's going to be a bunch of duplexes built, but they already got the underground services like the waters and the sewer. The lids are sticking up like 12 inches out of the ground, and I'm looking around trying to figure out where the guy's going to want to put this, because I'm not seeing anywhere we're going to put this as of right now. So I made some calls, and he got back to me. He's like, just get it to site and we'll get you in there. I'm like, okay, well, I can get it to site, so looks good to me. It's gonna be a tight fit, but we'll make it work. Traffic's died down a little bit, so I guess now is better than never. So I've flipped on the lights on the pilot car, put on my safety vest, and I got the measuring stick out, and just hope for the best.